Customers love these expanding hanging file folders for their smart, functional design and stylish colors. Amy highlights the retractable hanging hooks, making them versatile for both cabinets and on-the-go use. Plus, she loves the colorful stickers for labeling. Mary appreciates the practical build and water-resistant look, though she mentions the plant-based scent takes some getting used to. Teachers like Miss Willie raves about how the accordion pockets and multicolored tabs keep classrooms organized while adding a pop of pastel color. Emmy and others call them spacious, sturdy, and attractive, with the lavender set getting special praise for looking both modern and professional. Shayna notes the thick, durable material and clever sliding hangers, saying they're the best quality expanding files she's ever used. From organizing schoolwork to streamlining home and office papers, reviewers agree these file folders are a pretty, practical, and reliable organization solution.